this one?
And I am.
Yeah.
Be that.
He be like a better person.
He take over.
Wow. And he's not a bad looking somebody.
No. Una, good evening and welcome on top of the night show for today. Relationship Friday night be. My name is Nanedu _ me, Katim, Easy Beat, and the owner of Friday as we talk about.
We they look people wear on hammer inside, all this lifetime.
We they try get inspiration for people hammer already on top of Twitter about what that guy name.
Some of them fine, some of them not fine. Trevor Noah.
When they talk over one show now, would they pray? Say one day.
One day.
One day.
One day.
One day.
One day.
Oh. Somebody will call us.
Amen.
They'll say, Nedwan Katim, an Easy Beat, and Pastor Iheanyi, come and take over Ellen DeGeneres show.
What?
They'll not change the name.
Hey.
For what? We'll pray about the name. But anyway, we are going to watch one video now. When we come back, we translate now. But anyway. And the same thing I talk, you talk now. Okay, go use another way of talking.
Okay.
But anyway.
By the way.
We they come back now.
It's already right now.
We they come back now.
It's already there.
We go watch one video.
Yeah, I say one video.
But before we watch one video.
But before you listen, Bado.
Today.
For me.
Today.
Madam, for me.
Are you with me?
Madam with us.
Are you with me?
Madam with us.
Are you with me?
Madam
No,
with
you're not
us.
feeling me. Let us stand up for these people to understand what you're saying. Sister.
Brother.
Sister.
Brother.
Sister.
Brother.
Stop. Are you with me?
Madam with us.
Are you with me?
Madam with us.
Today,
For me.
we're not going to discuss any topic.
Oh, we don't want to get them.
Phone number. Our phone number go down on top your TV.
Telephone number on top of your TV.
Just the color.
So yours dial the number.
Call.
Dial the number.
Call.
Tap a phone for.
Call.
Tap a phone for.
If you don't have the credit,
Money credit.
go and buy now.
Gaga the credit dando. Gaga the credit dando. 100 naira. 200 naira. 400 naira. 750 naira. 1,500.
Buy recharge card.
2,000 naira.
Tell us any problem you have.
I don't call you any kind of problem with your
And the pastor.
You need a pastor.
We answer your.
Are you bored of your
We
friend?
answer you.
Are you bored of your
Let
friend?
us watch this video.
Yeah, he said to call
We are
something to me.
coming back.
He's ready.
Anyway, as stated for today's show, let me say topics plenty. Emotional ties. Now we're going to talk about emotional ties. Pastor, I don't know whether we will talk emotional ties before they call.
Okay.
What will happen be say our phone numbers they on top of your TV now. Make una call with any issue.
Yes.
Because I will be talking. I think we will talk something like that.
So
what we go do today. Any issue where you get called, then we'll go check on top. But before you wanna calls begin coming, Pastor Iheanyi will continue with some kind of emotional ties so that you go understand how tied you are emotionally.
Meanwhile, you get some kind private number if you want private sessions.
Sorry, continue.
So some kind private sessions that will only Monday to Friday.
The private session, another thing people will think.
Wait now. Now people won't get bad mind. If you just go that man church where your show just now.
I get bad mind.
No, I just they talk. Say I know call person name now. I know call person name. So if you get any kind of problem, you fit call that number. The number could show on your television screen. Yours now. No call them now. Now Monday to Friday. Between what time?
No, Monday to Friday text message.
Not text, don't be called.
Monday to Friday text message. Then
from what time to what time?
No, we can no call.
We can no call.
Monday to Friday. When you text and I reply, then you feel call.
Okay. So now, Pastor, those of them when they ask for Pastor Iheanyi number, you go see I'm there. When you go see the number, not only text message because some people now figure the flash now.
No call, no even send you a message on Sunday.
No call, no flash, no only text from Monday to Friday. See that number now.
Muna write them down.
Write them down.
0817 223 7000.
Finish.
Write them down.
Write them down.
You send only your text message.
Pastor,
you write koi, knock. If he answer you, then you fit telephone him. That is it. Monday to Friday only.
If he not answer you, that is Nada.
Hey, a word is good for the wise. You not go answer you if now Saturday and Sunday.
No.
Pastor, no, they work.
All right, so emotional time we talked last week. You don't say easy, learn a lot.
Easy.
Easy, quiet after that show.
Katim, easy, quiet.
Emotional ties.
Easy, quiet because it's been
The kind rope where easy
Kesolo, you go do something for us. This kind of thing, you know, say when we dey listen to Pastor Iheanyi, from time to time, yours they show us small. Just go to, you know, easy with face. When we all see the level of concentration.
Easy books, private session after we finish.
And I tell you, you know, say that
Rope
that sister
everywhere.
way,
Just
that sister way, the
untie.
follow waka. Then get emotional time.
Just the untie,
So in the learn. Pastor, continue.
It's okay.
because
So,
Then he could do like sponge.
as we start that thing last week, a lot of people, we don't get a lot of feedback. And it means saying a very practical situation where people don't enter things where they no bargain. For your mind, you be just the helper. Now, young boy, we won't try for school, but somehow, in the solution no come be the way they do for him again. Now you don't become the solution. So in don't they emotionally tied to you. Ladies too, they happen. Where 12 and I say wanna be friends. And then when the girl comes to say she won't marry, you go vex. And no be saying not also on the dates, emotional ties don't enter. Sometimes even among married people, these things they day. So it did very important where we understand say these things they day, and then we go help ourselves. Last week, where we stopped, we say how you go take manage all these kind of things. And I don't talk this thing before, but most people know to understand them, but we go try to explain again. Define every relationship where you they get. If you never define, say we be friends. If you never, people they talk say, but we suppose no, but he suppose no, say I no one data. But every weekend you that available. Once you come outside horn, you don't already dress up. You go enter car, say now you and your friend they roll. Every week, even when people won't follow you play, you go say no, 7 o'clock nah this man time. And when they come, after a while you go to say, well, our friends will just be, you know, I just like the way they spend time with them. Those things they mean say emotional tie don't they, but you self don't want even admit them. So how to deal with them, not to define the relationship from the beginning. Waiting be this thing when you and I they do. If we don't understand what this relationship be, ask questions. Don't just keep quiet. They assume say, you know, most ladies now there then they get bonds. When the boy say, this is not the girl I won't marry, and then the main girl where you don't they follow laugh, begin vex. You say no, but you're my pal. You know, I feel tell you anything. But now this person,
they annoy me. I feel tell you, you're just like a guy. I feel tell you anything.
that's not insult. Oh. You're just like a guy.
Then the girl can say, "Aww."
And then once the boy goes, say no problem, I'm happy for you. You know, go clean eyes small. So I'm very happy, I'm excited you found true love. As the boy come on, lock door. And then go stand look the door. Memories will come the flash. You know, when they go watch film, when they chop, when they
stroll for road, go buy KK bread. You know.
You come begin cry. Then the boy just come back, forget something, just come back. You go just begin look silly, say something there in eye. The boy say, you dey cry, still cry waiting now.
For what?
That what now? No say a sand full this room, say a breeze they blow. And when the boy come go, then you come sit down, you come be depressed, you go to wear sweater for like 1 week. Now emotional tie be that. So first thing to do, define your relationship. Number 2, understand the nature of the relationship where you get with everybody. If the person they treat you like pally, now you they treat them like intimate person, now you go enter trouble. If the person never jokingly enter intimacy, and now you always throw intimate card, you go still laugh and you go bounce and with laughter. And you go loud, say, yeah, my girlfriend, how about you? Say, why do you even think like this? You're not even well. Get out, you know. Once it happen first, second, third, something don't they do you. Nothing don't do yet. If you know define, if you know help yourself, you go enter trouble. When the girlfriends begin come, they get one question where one person ask me, where get turntable is, where wake up, where they scratch this thing.
Yes.
So he says, so what of when you just be nice person? And then it always just be,
I know the person just by just that nice person.
You know?
Pastor, we'll take this call. Good evening, Chinyere.
My name is Chinyere from Germany.
Hi, Chinyere. How is you?
I'm good. I'm doing great. The first time I watched the program was yesterday.
Okay.
And I've not watched it before. I was so happy, laughed until I was like, what is happening? These guys are so funny. I want to say thank you to you guys for making my evening yesterday.
Thank you.
And thank you to your colleagues there. I don't know their names.
Katim,
you guys.
Pastor Iheanyi, and Easy Beats.
I appreciate you guys so much.
well
Thank
done.
you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
And send me well to my beautiful friend, Kate is her name, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. I'll be watching you guys from now on, okay? Online.
Thank you very much.
Dankeschön.
Namaste.
Bye.
Well done.
Yeah.
You see, now not be well done, well done.
Well done.
Oh, with the welding, so with the welding something.
I will show you something.
Stop.
Hello, good evening.
Good you people.
That's a good thing.
What was I saying? So, he say, in just day nice, and yet in enter trouble. In just day nice. But I tell the nice person.
Yes.
Where they hear us. Say they know they sell nice for market.
Ooh.
They know they give award.
Yeah,
They know they give
Pastor, if I
award.
can say the easy bit, ask that question. I don't know.
Okay, so
people when no now in
as
followers
muscle
no.
don't pop out. As I talk nice now, muscle don't jump out. You know, so they know they give
You
award.
put hand for pocket.
Then they give award for being
They give
nice.
award for being nice. Emotions no understand that thing.
Nice.
No.
Pastor, question I want to ask now, say, girl and boy not fit be best friends.
Is that possible? But is that possible now? Is that possible to be best friends?
Without
But you
to
see-
love themselves.
But you see, now, as long as every single time, once in a while, now they define them. Because
See-
when you don't define anything, the way man, woman, they wired.
Yes.
Pastor, sorry, we'll take this question. Anand, good evening. Kofi Anand. Anand.
Yeah.
Pastor, continue.
So
the way you said the way people they don't define now as
Yes.
friends. I
Please.
been one making land first because it was going somewhere.
If you not define now,
if you don't define them, now go buy market. Now there now come become.
That's the way it be like say you don't be there.
Sometimes you go see girl and guys go be friends.
Yes.
The babe, they tell the guy everything about her relationship.
Yes.
The guy too, they tell the babe
Yes.
everything about her relationship. But deep down inside, somebody loves somebody inside the relationship.
Yes, but you see, the only way where sometimes the deliverance be now when one person bond, marry. So that one will also say, okay. Some people will get sense, they just say, okay, I know if you be strange man for this matter or strange woman. Now my true friend, because now you don't talk to a person, somebody else we're in love.
Hello.
So
Oh, sorry. Osas, good evening.
Hey, Nedu, good evening.
Good evening.
Good
How you
evening.
doing?
I did fine, Ona. Good evening.
evening,
evening.
How buddy?
Easy beat for you,
Oh, you say, don't want.
Obota.
Don't want, pa.
Obota.
On the other very good day, my visitors here were shouting. They said they love your program. Nedu?
Nedu.
The visitors were just shouting. They love your program.
Thank you very much. Tell them so say thank you for watching. No.
Yeah, Nedu.
Sir?
I said talk one thing. Maybe you don't forget. Any caller will come and pay 1,000 naira, whether they like him or not. Because you they look and say him. Or you they joke. Nedu, listen. I beg not vex. I want me you listen. I they talk with passion.
I hear you.
When they look this program, what they do? When they laugh over them. There's some people they wait they sober. When they make them laugh their sorrow away. When they look like maybe program, we they look like comedy. Ketchin, remove your hand from your mouth. Now so I tell you the other day. I say I will marry you for credit. When I get money, I will come pay. But people don't understand. This program, what they do?
Yeah.
When they make us they happy. They feel, say yes, we be somebody.
Yes.
Thank you.
People will not get voice. Now they make them, they know, say yes. Something they with they lack of.
Yeah.
The law, not vessel, because I called the other woman that day, say,
Yes.
that woman when I talked to that
The
day,
HR woman.
I call her and say, man, she be ambassador, but you not the law.
Thank you very much. Osas, come sponsor. Osas, nothing will happen. You pack money for your Osun State here. Just gather people. Then come sponsor the show. Very good. Very simple.
You know what in talk? Man, when say one married person for credit.
No, not be that one.
No.
No be that one. That one na small, na typhoid they do.
Typhoid.
Typhoid.
Okay, no wonder.
Hello?
From Anambra, good evening.
Hello?
Yeah,
Hello?
good evening. Would they hear you? Yes,
Yeah, Catherine, good evening.
Yeah. Good evening, oh.
Yeah, it is good evening.
Good evening, sir. How is you?
We are very good.
Which question you get to ask, Pastor?
Hello?
Which question you want to ask?
Okay, I just want to thank you for the information that you are giving to Nigerians on the air. Of which that is a quality information and a good advice. Most people that are into relationship, they should be able to define what they are into. Because I know many people that are into relationship, they cannot be able to define it.
Yep.
At the end of the day, they become enemies, which is not proper.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you can invite more people that are more informed, let's say it can be about 3 or thereabouts, that would be very helpful so that they contribute their own. Also, when these kind of contributions are coming up, we have a quality society in Nigeria.
Yes,
Instead
exactly.
of having much divorces in Nigeria or marriage or giving marriage a kind of bad name, which is not good.
Yeah. Exactly. Thank you very much, Eze. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
From Makodi, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good
Sister
evening.
in the Lord.
Hello.
Hey,
Good evening.
Hello now.
Sorry, Nedu, good evening.
How is you, Sister in the Lord?
I did fine, no. Nedu, I beg you, one question I want to ask about relationship.
Why don't they hear you? Ask.
Yeah?
Ask, and now would they hear you?
Okay. You get this, my friend. She collect number from my phone.
Okay.
Did they hear me?
Would they hear you?
So she can't say she want. When I can't find out the number where she collect, she won't go use them to talk to my guy.
Okay. Would they hear you now?
They don't catch you.
They don't catch him. They catch him.
Okay, so in friend collecting guy number from her phone.
Okay. So you want find out how you suppose handle them.
Yes.
Well, 2 things. Number 1, if you feel say the friend no be threat, you free him. If it is in a very stupid,
Pastor,
wait now.
which guy not they be threat these days? I carry telephone. Tell him.
Now.
Okay.
Number 1, we don't start from
The bottom now
unknown to known.
Okay, or not.
So if you feel say no be threat, you don't even gauge him. Say this one no even look you. Secondly, you go follow your girlfriend talk. Say which thing they worry you. You know respect. Say we'll be friends. Say they say or which you waffle and talk where you know if you tell me. Say okay, you want to say they misbehave. Why you not tell me? Then let me go. You know concern you because this behavior. Maybe the boy they crossroad now. And the girl don't say the boy no sure waiting him. So he just want drop CV. Drop CV. You know, they come visiting girlfriend regularly. So that one we no division or division, not 2 vision. When you begin see 2 things just begin scatter. Not gonna go into that one now. They feel something coming up right now.
Hallelujah.
Not could just stay on relationship. All right. So that emotional thing where they talk, emotional ties. So when people they discuss or the nice guy, they give award for being nice. So please know they nice at the expense of your emotions. Make I explain. You know, say the first 2 times when you and this person don't talk, they get as the thing take happen. You know, the way you say thank you, you're a very good person. I wish my boyfriend was like you.
Hey.
Cut the phone.
He says they knock head.
I wish my boyfriend was like you. You hear him.
If you say, oh.
You hear him. You know, say, this not the time to do rain check. But you go just free. Say, well, you just me say you
Hello?
are just
Because they sweat you for body too.
Hello?
So you don't lie since.
Sarah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, they talk.
Oh, yeah, they talk.
Sarah, would they hear you?
Good evening.
Off your TV.
I've been calling you since like that. You're not picking my call. You are not.
Okay, Sarah, reduce your TV volume. Make we hear what you they talk.
Okay.
Hey, now you they hear. Now make some of them they make heaven.
And bye-bye. As you
Hello,
don't off
Zara.
your TV, line don't cut.
Zara.
She's there.
She did. And Sister Zara. I'll say, Bye-bye. Call us back. Pastor, continue.
So the person talk say,
There's no,
I wish my boyfriend was like you.
My girlfriend was like
So the following day, in call you again. But this time in call around maybe 12.
for night.
No, for afternoon.
Okay.
Call. So you pick phone. You say, I don't know how I'm feeling. I just need somebody to talk to. You know, just as they talk this thing now, they resonate with some people.
Yeah, exactly.
Day, so.
Exactly.
Now, you know me saying you help the person. But if you know say they don't light matches, now to drop on top the firewood, where it remain. Dodge jam. Blow the matches off, take the packet from and throw away.
Why is that what that? Make it not light again.
Because at that stage, you're officially about to buy market. As that thing they happen, so it's okay, please, I can't talk now. I'm just in the toilet. I'm very uncomfortable. I'll call you after work when I'm less. Now move. Now insurance policy for evening call.
Okay.
So as you hang up, you say we just say, oh, nothing there about him. Then you go there with your own date. When this person will call, you will say, excuse me. And at that point where you don't inject that person into your own quality time, the person too don't the day important. You never know. Say the tie don't they start.
It be like that. Tomorrow I go say na jazz.
Jazz
now systematic.
What did she use on me?
Now systematic programming.
Jazz what? Programming. Hi. I think not talk something. Program. Everybody they run program. Somebody say program.
Program.
Everybody they run program. So when they call it for afternoon hang up, say now for evening they want talk. Now program where they set the program, then they reset. So when you come, they get quality time and then call. You will say, excuse me, give me 10 minutes. Look, I just don't know. I just need to help this girl. She's going through a lot. I just need to help her. After one, you go explain your date. You gonna say, what's the happen? 5 more minutes. What's the happen? As that thing they play, that person don't they enter quality time.
And you don't get wahala for your
yes, you don't even know.
You don't know.
It's in rope, don't they tell you for neck. You never know. So one of the ways to deal with that one is to say, okay, I'm on a date right now. I will call you tomorrow in the office around 10, 11 when I'm less busy. Okay? Take care of yourself. Send me a text. Okay, you are my prayers. All right, take care of you. If you no get delivered,
the person no go believe you. If you tell somebody you are in my prayers.
No. Now the way you go talk say my brother, I'm praying for you. So what's wrong with this guy? This guy is not praying nothing. So as it happened, as easy talk as we talk that in easy quiet one kind quiet.
Anyway, we call it. We'll continue it. Still on top. Relationship matter for the next show when they come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.